Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how easy and fast it is to install Notakey Appliance. I have prepared virtual machine with RancherOS installed, and now we only need to start configuration container. Let's copy the launch command from Notakey documentation website. Now we are creating user we will use to configure and maintain Notakey appliance in the future. Only appliance command line interface will be available for this particular user. For OS upgrade or downgrade, you still have to use user rancher. Configuration wizard will help us to set some parameters. Keep in mind that data center name should be the same for all machines included in the cluster. This is first machine we are setting up, so we are not going to join any clusters now. I will use Let's Encrypt service here. But please remember, if you will do this manually, just include full certification chain, because if the mobile browser will not be able to verify full chain, the mobile app will not connect to appliance. Appliance should be up and running now. Let's connect to it with newly made user Notakey admin. Okay, now we are connected to appliance CLI, and let's start the application server. Let's set up a correct time zone now. Now we can switch to web dashboard. Web dashboard is running, certificate is valid, and we can start to create the first administrator of the site. So all users are forced to use second factor, so that's the reason on the right side you will see Notakey Authenticator running on my phone. By the way, choose the not very long password here, because during the onboarding process you have to input it on your mobile. Okay, let's start the onboarding by scanning this QR code, which will add the domain to the Notakey Authenticator. You can do this manually as well. So now use your newly made credentials here, and then phone will generate private and public keys. And public key will be registered in the Notakey appliance. Okay, let's check service tab, and we can see that the administration service is active. Appliance is ready now, and you can start to configure it according to your needs by adding new applications, new users, etc. That's all for now, and thank you for watching.